Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make basic vinaigrette. Let's start with the essential components. A classic vinaigrette relies on a simple 3-to-1 ratio of oil to vinegar. For example, you might use 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1 tablespoon of white wine vinegar. This foundational ratio ensures a balanced flavor profile, providing both richness from the oil and a pleasant tang from the vinegar. It's a versatile base for many delicious dressings. Now let's elevate the flavor of our vinaigrette. A small amount of Dijon mustard, about 1 teaspoon, is fantastic for both taste and emulsification, helping the oil and vinegar combine smoothly. Consider adding 1 clove of minced garlic or a quarter of a small shallot for an aromatic boost. Don't forget a generous pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to truly bring out all the wonderful flavors. The mixing process is straightforward. First, combine your vinegar, mustard, garlic or shallots, salt and pepper in a small bowl. Whisk these ingredients together thoroughly until they are well combined. Then, while continuously whisking, slowly drizzle in your chosen oil. This gradual addition, combined with vigorous whisking, is key to creating a beautifully emulsified, creamy dressing that won't separate easily. Once your delicious vinaigrette is made, proper storage is important. Transfer it to an airtight container and keep it in the refrigerator. It will generally stay fresh and flavorful for about 5 to 7 days. Before each use, give it a good whisk or shake to re-emulsify any separated ingredients. This versatile dressing is perfect for green salads, roasted vegetables, or as a marinade for chicken or fish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.